Are you thinking about getting the USAA mobile app? Before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know. While USAA is well regarded in the finance world, is it the best choice for you? Stick around to find out how it compares to competitors. First, the USAA mobile app offers a solid user experience. It's packed with features, but its overall design might feel a little outdated compared to other finance apps like Mint or Personal Capital. If you prefer sleek, modern interfaces, you might find it a bit clunky. Next thing, USAA is known for its military-focused customer base. If you're active or former military, the app offers some exclusive benefits, like reduced insurance rates and special banking perks. However, if you don't have military affiliation, these perks won't be available to you. The third thing you should know is the app's mobile check deposit feature. USAA offers one of the most reliable mobile deposit systems, allowing you to quickly deposit checks from anywhere. But keep in mind, this feature is available in the USAA app, whereas competitors like Chime and Simple also offer mobile deposits, but may have slightly lower limits on check amounts. Next, the app offers easy access to USAA's wide range of financial products, including insurance, banking, and investing. If you're already a customer, this is a huge plus. However, if you're not, you may find other apps like Ally or SoFi offer more flexibility and transparency for customers who want more options. The fifth thing to note is the USAA budgeting tools. While the app does a decent job with spending categories and tracking, it's not as advanced or customizable as apps like YNAB. You need a budget. If you're really into detailed budgeting, you might find USAA a bit lacking in features. Moving on, USAA's mobile bill pay system is quite efficient. It's easy to set up and manage recurring payments, so you can stay on top of your monthly bills. But compared to other apps like Mint, USAA could improve its bill tracking and notifications to make it even easier to manage finances. The seventh thing is that USAA's customer service is often praised for being responsive and knowledgeable, especially if you're a military member. On the flip side, if you're not, you may not get the same level of priority treatment you'd expect from apps like Chime, which tends to offer a more universal customer service approach. Next thing, USAA has a decent investment platform. It allows you to buy stocks and manage your portfolio, but it doesn't offer as many investment options or tools as competitors like Robinhood or E-Trade. If you're looking for a more robust investment experience, you might want to look elsewhere. The ninth thing is the USAA mobile app's savings and checking accounts. They're generally competitive, but the interest rates on savings are often lower than some of the best high-yield options available from apps like SoFi or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. The 10th thing worth noting is the app's integration with budgeting tools. It syncs well with third-party apps, but it can sometimes be slow to update, leading to inaccurate real-time tracking. Other apps like Mint are known for more seamless syncing. Next, USAA provides strong security features, including multi-factor authentication and advanced encryption. While it's on par with other finance apps, it could do more to offer the same kind of instant alerts for suspicious activity that apps like Chime provide. The 12th and final thing to mention is the overall value proposition. While USAA's app offers solid banking and financial management features, its true strength lies in serving military families. If you're not part of that group, you may find other apps, like Capital One or SoFi, provide a broader range of services with less restriction. So, is USAA Mobile a good option? Yes, especially if you're in the military or already using USAA for your banking needs. But if you want a better, more flexible alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.